Amelia, what if you woke up tomorrow and your phone simply disappeared? No messages, no social media, no games, no videos, nothing. Would you feel free or completely lost?
Honestly, Amelia, I'd probably spend the first hour searching for it like a detective solving a mystery.
And that's exactly what we're talking about today. Welcome back to Talk Amelia. Today, Jack and I are imagining something many people fear. A whole day without a phone.
Can we survive it? What would we learn? And would life actually be better?
Let's find out. Amelia. Good morning, Jack. Imagine you wake up and your phone is gone.
First thing I do is check my bed, my desk, my pockets, and somehow even the refrigerator.
The refrigerator?
Don't judge me. Strange things happen before breakfast.
Fair enough. But let's say it's truly gone. No replacement, no laptop. Just one day.
That sounds terrifying.
Why?
Because my phone is my alarm clock, camera, map, music player, calculator, and connection to friends.
Exactly. Phones have become so much more than phones.
They're basically tiny digital worlds we carry in our pockets.
Amelia. And most of us spend hours every day inside those worlds.
I think the first few hours would be the hardest.
Why do you say that?
Because I constantly reach for my phone without thinking.
Same here. Sometimes I unlock my phone and then forget why I picked it up.
I've done that too.
It's almost like a habit our brains have learned.
Exactly. Every notification feels important.
Even when it's not?
Especially when it's not.
So without a phone, we'd suddenly notice how often we depend on it.
And how much free time appears when we're not scrolling.
Let's imagine it's lunchtime. No phone. What are you doing?
Maybe reading a book.
A real book?
Yes, one made of paper. Very funny.
Honestly, I might go for a walk.
Without taking pictures?
Without taking pictures.
That's rare.
I know, but sometimes we focus so much on capturing moments that we forget to enjoy them.
That's true. We see a beautiful sunset and immediately think, I need to post this.
Instead of simply watching it.
A day without a phone might help us appreciate small things more.
Like birds singing, fresh air, and conversations.
Things that don't need Wi-Fi.
Here's an interesting question.
Go ahead.
Without a phone, would people talk more?
I think so.
Imagine sitting in a cafe.
Normally, many people are looking at screens.
But without phones?
Maybe they'd start conversations.
Maybe they'd notice the people around them?
Or maybe they'd stare awkwardly into space.
That's possible too.
But real conversations are different.
How?
You hear emotions. You see facial expressions. You connect more deeply.
That's something texts can't fully replace.
You hear emotions. You see facial expressions. You connect more deeply.
That's something texts can't fully replace.
Without taking pictures?
That's possible too.
Imagine it's evening now.
The phone-free day is almost over.
How do you feel?
Surprisingly calm.
Me too.
No endless notifications.
No pressure to reply instantly.
No scrolling for hours.
Just time to think.
And maybe that's something many of us need.
A little space from the digital world.
Not forever.
Just sometimes.
The next morning arrives.
And our phones are back.
What's the first thing you do?
Check my messages.
Of course.
But maybe I'd use my phone differently afterward.
How so?
I'd be more aware of how much time I spend on it.
That's a valuable lesson.
A day without a phone isn't about rejecting technology.
It's about remembering that life exists beyond the screen.
And some of the best moments happen when we're fully present.
So, listeners,
Here's our challenge for you.
Try spending just 1 hour without your phone today.
Go for a walk,
Read a book,
talk with a friend.
or simply enjoy a quiet moment.
You might be surprised by what you discover.
And if you've ever spent a day without your phone, tell us about your experience in the comments.
We'd love to hear your stories.
Thanks for listening to Talk Amelia.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends. See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.